Sunday, October 12th, game day for NFL. You can see I'm in an event organizer dashboard here on the left. What I'm going to do is pick out a file. That file is going to be a email list, and this email list is just right here. I'm just going to double click it. It's going to load here into this picker. And what I'm going to do is pick out a game to send calendar invites to. You can see it here in the picker. I'll make it a little bigger for the demo. Apologize there. So I'm going to pick out this game here coming up in a little bit. And what I'm going to do is scroll down here to the bottom. I am going to basically give this a green light to send out the calendar invites. And you're going to see the processor engine hit our API. It's going to basically take these email addresses and load them into the browser and hit our REST API for sending out a calendar invite for this particular event. And you can see here that there's one that showed up there. That is for this email user, Zach. And Greg's on a list too. There's Greg's there. He's going to say yes. Here's the other Greg. He's going to say yes. And then you're going to see this Greg here say maybe. So let me go back here. I'm going to actually say no to this one here for Zach. So what I'm going to do is go to the dashboard real quick. And the dashboard will basically confirm, excuse me as I play with the browsers here, will confirm the fact for the 12th. I have 4 calendar invites that have been interacted with. We gather that data from the API, from the calendar receipts. For the individual calendar invites in which we send out, the data is gathered from the calendar clients themselves, i.e. someone like Zach here, and we send that data back to the API gateway and collect that data in the calendar invite console. So how would I prove that to y'all in the demo? I'd have to go back to a couple different places, view reports or view events. All roads lead to this kind of data container here in the back end. Let me go to the 12th there as I clicked, and let me go here into the 12th, and you'll see that I sent 11 invites just now for this particular game, the Buccaneers versus the 49ers. I'm drilling into the S3 bucket. The S3 bucket's interacting with DynamoDB back to these APIs here to display this data. And the data will show that we had one person tentative. That was tentative there. Sorry, I'm going through the accept, tentative, and decline. So those 3 people there responded back with the appropriate calendar invitations, receipts, and that'll wrap up the demo. Thanks for stopping by.